Hello friends, in this session we will do one problem from the topic Fermi-Dirac statistics. At what temperature we can expect a 10% probability that electrons in silver have energy which is 1% above the Fermi energy. The Fermi energy of silver is 5.5 electron volt. So first let us think about this problem. So we are given with the Fermi energy of silver which is EF equal to 5.5 electron volt. Now we are asked to find the temperature at which we can expect a 10% probability that electrons in silver have energy which is 1% above the Fermi energy. So previously as we have discussed, we know in every metal we have different energy levels. Like this. Suppose this is the energy, and at 0 Kelvin electrons are filled only up to an energy EF. So beyond EF no levels are filled with electrons, and below EF all levels are filled with 1 electron. So since it is a fermion, we know only 1 electron can occupy 1 quantum state. That is why we draw only 1 electron. If we accommodate the Pauli's exclusion principle, then we know 2 electrons with opposing spins can accommodate each of these states. But here we have assumed that each of the electron is occupying a different state and so on. So here in this question we are asked to find at what temperature the energy level 1% above EF. That means EF plus 1% of EF. EF plus 0.01 EF above the EF. That energy level will be filled with electron with 10% probability. That is the question that is asked. So we know here f of E is given in this question which is 10% probability. So we need to express probability from as a number from 0 to 1. So 10% means 10 by 100 which is 0.1. Now let us find the energy level E. So what is the energy level E? Energy level E is the energy corresponding to 1% above EF. That means E is EF plus 0.01 times EF. That is 5.5 electron volt plus 0.01 into 5.5 electron volt, which is 5.5 plus 0.055, which is 5.555 electron volt. So this is the energy level corresponding to which the probability is to be found out, or corresponding to which the temperature is to be found out. Now substituting all these terms, f of E, energy E and EF into the Fermi-Dirac distribution function, we have 0.1 equal to 1 by exponential 5.555 minus 5.5. This is in electron volts, so we need to convert it into joules, multiply with 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 divided by the Boltzmann constant minus 23 into temperature. Temperature is unknown, we need to find the value of T plus 1. So let us simplify this answer. So you can use your calculator to simplify this. We will obtain as 0.1 equal to 1 by exponential 637.7 divided by T plus 1. So from this equation we need to find T. So first of all, let us take the reciprocal. 1 by 0.1 equal to 1 by exponential this term. So it will be just exponential 637.7 divided by T plus 1. What is 1 by 0.1? It is 10. Taking this 1 from the RHS to the left hand side, we will get 10 minus 1, which is 9. 9 equal to exponential 637.7 divided by T. Taking logarithm on both sides, log 9 equal to 637.7 divided by T, and T equal to 637.7 divided by logarithm 9, log 9, which is equal to 290 Kelvin. So what is the meaning of this answer? At T equal to 290 Kelvin, we know electrons will be occupying higher energy levels. Electrons can gain energy. So at T equal to 290 Kelvin, the electrons will get sufficient energy, and there will be 10% probability for finding electrons at 1% above Fermi energy level. So that is the meaning of this equation. So there are different types of problem based on this Fermi-Dirac statistics. We will see more about that in the coming classes. I hope you understood solving this problem. Thank you.